This is the shuttle to the baggage claim at Orlando International Airport in Orlando, Florida.
I don't know that we're going to get to the front. There's a lot of people.
There's neon lights up there. Here it is. I think these are Bombardier. Yeah, these are Bombardier. I know it says shuttle to terminal, so I'm not sure. Anyway, it's already here. Sorry if there's any shakes. I'm not doing that great of a video. Yeah, they're Bombardier. And yes, this tram is air conditioned, which is good. Bombardier CX100s. Here we go. It's 522.
Please stand clear of doors and hold on to handrails. The shuttle will be departing momentarily for the main terminal. Whether you are here on business, returning home, or visiting our world-class attractions, welcome to Orlando and Central Florida.
This is Orlando Air. If you're a resident of Central Florida, welcome you. If you're one of our 68 million visitors,
Bombardier CX100s.
you probably don't know world-class theme parks and attractions. As you may not know, high-tech immersion, medical research, vibrant arts. There's something joy.
Seems like we were just on something like this. These are both Bombardier CX100s. Well, they're both Bombardier CX100s, so of course they're going to be the same.
Please stand clear of doors and hold on to the handrails.
Definitely a shorter distance than PIT.
When the shuttle stops, please exit and follow the signs to baggage claim A. Resort and other ground transportation options are on level 1.
Typical EPCO door opening key switches. Just like on any other Bombardier train, see?